What is up, YouTube? I know it's been a minute. It has been a minute. But pretty much back to the basics of it. I believe I am like let me see, hold up. Started in September, so September, like about 2.5 months in with the twist or the Hightop locks twist for right now. I'm not even gonna call them dreads for right now. Basically, I haven't even showed you. Last video I have for you guys was I believe the 2.5 weeks or the 2.5 weeks. Basically morning routine video where I went over my hair and basically twisted it. I basically went over my process of me waking up, basically getting to the hair and getting it back in shape and basically to a wearable look. I know I am seeing a nice amount of growth right now, but I'm still impatient right now too at the same time, on top of everything, because I'm ready for growth in my locks and I'm ready to see like actual length where I can get some swing in my locks and some weight. But it's just gonna take a little bit more time, and I'm impatient, but I'm willing to take that time because I know these locks are gonna be something nice, and I'm willing to actually grow them this time. And I'm gonna keep that word, trust me, guys. Alright guys, so I'm rocking my wintertime Aura hoodie. If you would like one, message me and I can get an order set up for you. There's a few steps that I gotta go through to get these actually to you guys and out in distribution. I'm gonna give you guys like a side view of my hair. So yeah guys, I'm at 2.5 months, and this basically was a video to show you guys an update on where I'm at right now. And basically the same process I've been using throughout these 2.5 months is waking up, or either waking up, showering, or just waking up, putting a little bit of water on my head, throw the towel on my head, moist towel, and then it just lays down, and I start kind of twisting throughout the day, and it's just in this type of form. But I did get a cut today, so that's probably why I look so clean now. I was looking kind of rugged at first, let's just say that. So it's cool though. So I might start filming on my camera here soon. I did pick up a camera recently, like a month back, and I've been doing photography and videos. If you guys have seen some on the channel so far, so yeah, I will be copping a new lens soon. So there will be more high quality videos on the channel for you all. So I'm ready for you all to see that as well. I think that's gonna leave us off right here on this video. So stay up, stay positive, and keep creating. Oh shit. Stay up, stay positive, and keep creating. Peace.